The Duomo dominates Milan with Gothic lacework carved in white marble. Climb its terraces for a rooftop forest of spires, sweeping views over the city. And those tiny statues that suddenly feel enormous when you're up close. This is Milan. Over the next 3 minutes I will show you why this city is worth a visit. The Duomo is a cathedral of details. Pinnacles, statues, and tracery carved so finely the stone reads like lace. From the plaza, it reads as a single monumental page. On the terraces, each spire becomes its own miniature world, a skyline of tiny sculptures looking back at the city. Gothic architecture is about light shaped by structure, flying buttresses, pointed arches, and stained glass that converts sunlight into color. Inside the Duomo, the atmosphere shifts from civic stage to sacred theater when light hits the nave. Castello Sforzesco reads as fortified elegance, brick walls, rounded towers, and arcaded courtyards that move between martial history and public life. After dark, Milan's nightlife pulses, from cocktail bars to underground clubs. Quick rhythmic cuts, neon reflections, and bass-driven pacing bring energy to the city that you will enjoy walking through. Leonardo left his fingerprints here, from the Last Supper inside Santa Maria del Grazie to sketches that still inspire. Nod to his work with detailed shots of hands, pens, and old paper textures. Local markets are sensory gold. Berries, cured meats, and vendors calling out the day's best, use tight food textures and human hands for emotional hooks. Trams thread the city, frame them as motion lines, capture bells and tracks, and use reflection shots for cinematic transitions. Design Week turns the city into an open studio. Installations, pop-ups, and late-night crowds make for festival sequences that feel urgent and shareable. Quick tip: learn a few phrases.
Buongiorno, grazie, and il conto per favore.
Small gestures open doors and smiles for better candid footage. Bergamo's medieval upper town make for contrasting day trip sequences that broaden the narrative. Don't forget to take in this beautiful town while you visit Milan. Milan is equal parts runway, workshop, and living museum. 3 minutes only scratches the surface, but every frame points to design, taste, and motion.
If you liked this video, hit the subscribe button and help us grow the channel.